how to delete IMO account permanently. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your IMO app and make sure you are logged in with your account. After that, in the left upper corner, you'll be able to see your profile. So simply tap on that. After tapping on that, you have to go through your settings option, and from over here you'll be able to see the account and security option. Tap on that. After tapping on that, you can see your delete your IMO account in the last row, so tap on that. After tapping on that, you'll be able to see the apply to delete option, so simply tap on that. And after tapping on that, you have to select a reason for deleting your IMO account. You can delete any of the options over here, and you have to tap on continue to delete. So before deleting your account, you have to enter your phone number over here, and after entering your phone number, you have to tap on the arrow in the right upper corner, and here you have to read the descriptions of deleting your account, and if you agree, you have to tap on the agree and delete option, which is in the red color. And once again, it is asked whether you want to delete your IMO account or not. If you are agreed, then you have to simply tap on delete, and by doing that, you can see your account has been deleted. So by following this simple step, you can delete your IMO account permanently. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.